Look at these birds. Massive, healthy, and ready for market. Now, what if I told you the secret to this kind of growth isn't a high-priced chemical or a hidden growth hormone? It's cheap, it's natural. Today, we're talking about molasses, the black gold of poultry farming. If you want to slash your feed costs, boost your broiler weight, and stop losing birds to heat stress, you need to watch this until the very end. I'm breaking down the exact science, the flushing method, and the DIY recipe I use on my own farm. What is molasses, really? Most people think molasses is just a sweetener. And while it is a byproduct of sugar refining, for a broiler chicken, it's a biological powerhouse. It's packed with 3 things your birds crave: quick energy, essential minerals like potassium and iron, and palatability. The 4 big benefits. Benefit number 1, rapid weight gain. Molasses is an appetizer. It triggers the bird's metabolism to kick into high gear, helping them convert that feed into muscle in record time. Number 2, the natural flush. This is a pro tip. Molasses is a mild laxative. If your birds have pasting up or have eaten something toxic, a molasses drink cleans out their digestive tract without the stress of heavy medication. Number 3, heat stress relief. When it's 90 degrees out, your birds lose electrolytes. Molasses is a mineral bomb. It keeps their heart rate steady and prevents sudden death syndrome during heat waves. And number 4, gut health. It's a prebiotic. It feeds the good bacteria in the gut, making their immune system ironclad against diseases. So, how do you actually give it to them? You've got 2 options. Option A, the water method. This is best for an instant energy boost. Mix 5 to 10 milliliters of molasses per 1 liter of water. Do this twice a week. But listen to me, do not leave it in the tank or drinkers for more than 24 hours. Sugar breeds bacteria, so keep those drinkers clean. This water method is the best for OHOD mixed agro farm. And today that's what we're focusing on. Watch our next video for feed method. Subscribe to our channel so that you'll be notified when we upload the next video demonstrating how to use molasses, rather prepare in feed with molasses. If you use standard 20-liter drinkers, that's about 100 to 200 milliliters of molasses. Give this to your birds 2 days a week, or during high-stress events like vaccination days or extreme heat waves. But wait! Before you fill your water tanks or drinkers, there is one critical rule you must follow. Do not leave molasses water in the lines or drinkers for more than 24 hours. Sugar breeds bacteria rapidly. If you leave it sitting, you'll end up with a biofilm in your pipes that can make your bird sick. Give them enough molasses water to drink for 1 day, and the next morning, flush your lines and clean those drinkers with fresh water. Also, don't overdo the dosage. Too much will cause diarrhea, leading to wet litter. Stick to the recipe. This is great for keeping them interested in their food during those final weeks before market. But wait! Before you go crazy with the syrup, there's a catch. Too much molasses causes the scours, that's chicken diarrhea. If your birds have runny droppings, your litter gets wet. Wet litter leads to ammonia and coccidiosis. More is not better. Stick to the ratios, and always use unsulfured molasses for the best results. Molasses is the ultimate small change that yields big results. It's the difference between a farm that just survives and a farm that thrives. If you found this black gold secret helpful, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. It helps me keep bringing you these farming secrets. Stay farming, stay profitable.
For the best, look no further, my friend. We got quality products from beginning to end. Broiler and broiler, chickens for the meat.